Plant FAQs. Bronze leaf begonia. Bronze leaf begonias, adding year-round color to your garden. For years, I've been captivated by the vibrant blooms of begonias. But it was the bronze leaf begonia that truly stole my heart. Unlike its green-leafed cousins, this variety boasts stunning bronze foliage that adds a touch of drama and depth to any garden. But beyond their captivating looks, bronze leaf begonias are surprisingly low maintenance, making them perfect for busy gardeners like myself. In this article, I'll share my experience with these beauties, answering some of the most common questions I've encountered. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. Do bronze leaf begonias hold their leaf color and shade? While bronze leaf begonias can tolerate partial shade, their namesake foliage truly shines in full sun. Shade can cause the leaves to lose their vibrant bronze hue, turning a duller green. If your garden receives mostly shade, fear not. There are plenty of other shade-loving begonias to explore. What can I plant with bronze leaf begonias? The rich bronze foliage of these begonias creates a stunning contrast with a variety of flowering companions. Here are a few of my favorites. Million bells. Cascading million bells in shades of pink, purple, or white add a touch of whimsy and create a beautiful overflowing effect in containers. Cosmos. With their airy blooms in shades of pink, white, or orange, cosmos complement the bold foliage of the bronze leaf begonia while adding a touch of height. Marigolds. These cheerful yellow or orange blooms bring a burst of sunshine to the garden and pair well with the bronze tones of the begonias. How to care for bronze leaf begonias. These low-maintenance plants are a dream come true for busy gardeners. Here are the key things to remember. Light. As mentioned earlier, bronze leaf begonias thrive in full sun. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Water. Water regularly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Soil. Well-draining soil is crucial. Amending your planting bed with some compost or organic matter can help with drainage and provide essential nutrients. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer applied every few weeks during the growing season can encourage vibrant blooms. Deadheading. While not strictly necessary, deadheading spent blooms can promote continued flowering. Simply pinch off the faded flowers at the base of the stem. Is bronze leaf begonia a tuber? No, bronze leaf begonias are not tubers. Tuberous begonias are a different variety known for their underground storage organs. Bronze leaf begonias are fibrous-rooted, meaning they have a network of fine roots. Winter care for bronze leaf begonias. In colder climates, bronze leaf begonias are not frost-tolerant. You can enjoy them as container plants and bring them indoors before the first frost. Alternatively, you can take cuttings and propagate new plants for the following season. Beyond the basics, propagation and more. Propagating bronze leaf begonias is a great way to expand your collection or share these beauties with friends. Stem cuttings are the easiest method. Simply take a healthy stem tip with a few leaves, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in a pot with moist, well-draining soil. Keep the cutting in a warm, humid environment until roots develop. Bronze leaf versus green leaf begonia. I used to be all about the classic green begonia. Their lush, emerald leaves added a pop of life to any shady corner, and the delicate blooms were a charming bonus. But then I tried a bronze leaf variety for a sunny spot in my garden, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. The coppery leaves shimmered in the sunlight, adding a whole new dimension of texture to my flower beds. They also seemed to hold their color better throughout the summer heat, unlike the green ones that sometimes looked a little wilted. Sure, I missed the calming green a bit, but the bronze leaves bring a touch of drama that I've grown to really love. With their stunning foliage and vibrant blooms, bronze leaf begonias are a welcome addition to any garden. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy these low-maintenance beauties for years to come. So, why not add a touch of bronze magic to your garden today?